Welcome! In front of me I have Apple Watch SE 2nd generation, and I'm gonna show you how to connect AirPods. Before we start, you will need a couple of things. You will need AirPods and the watch, and also you will need an iPhone that is paired with your watch, because if you want to connect the AirPods to your watch, first you need to connect them to the iPhone that is paired with your watch, and once you connect them to the iPhone, they will connect automatically to your watch. That's how it works. So once you have all of the things, we can continue. And now let's pair or connect the AirPods to our iPhone. So let's open the case on our AirPods. And once you open the case, you should get the pop-up on the screen of your iPhone that it detected the AirPods and we can connect them. If you don't get the pop-up, you can try opening and closing the case a couple of times. And as you can see now, we got it. Once you get the pop-up, you can tap on Connect, and here, or rather in this step, find the button on the case and press and hold it. And after a couple of seconds, you should see the connecting on the screen. Wait until it's done. It should look like this. Once it's done, you should see the AirPods, the battery percentage for your AirPods, and also the case. Once you see this means that the AirPods are connected with your iPhone, and once they're connected with the iPhone, they should be connected with the watch. So let's wake up the screen on our watch by pressing the button, then swipe up from the bottom of the screen to open the controls panel, and here find the audio source icon or audio icon. Looks like this, the circles connecting with the triangle. Tap on this icon, and here we have the list of audio sources, and we have Apple Watch and also the AirPods. This means that the AirPods are connected. And we can open the case on the AirPods and tap on them to connect the watch to our AirPods. Like this. Basically switch the audio source from the watch to the AirPods, like this. And now you can use your AirPods and listening, as the audio source of your watch, basically. That's how it works. Okay. And that's how you connect the AirPods with the Apple Watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.